Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm working on the G35. I'm just going to get the tranny bolted in and put the front clip back on and get it as close to ready as possible so I can see what all I need to take care of after that in terms of getting it ready to drive and then throwing the wire harness on. So I'm gonna get to that real quick and then I'll catch up with you guys in a few minutes. So the city's been complaining about me doing engine swaps in the driveway. My guess would be that somebody's complaining about it, like reporting it to the city. So because of that, I'm going to move this as far over as I can, and I'm gonna back, not this MR2, but my MR2 back into here. And so both the cars that don't have engines in them will be in the garage. Plus, it'll give me a better area to work in, so that'll be cool too. So I'm gonna keep on cleaning the garage. I'm about to move the S13 over, and then I'm going to work on arranging all this stuff that I pulled from that side in a way that makes sense so both cars fit and I have plenty of room. So I'm gonna get to that. All right, so I don't know if you guys are ready for this or not. Bam. Put the MR2 in the garage. It's getting cold out, it's raining a lot, and there's room. So I'm gonna get to work on the MR2 in the garage because it's a lot easier, and the city's been on me for doing stuff, and it's kind of annoying, so. Jeez, look at this thing. I almost have the whole interior put back together. I still have to put in the back seat panels and all that stuff. And I need to get a hood. And then I need to get the car aligned. And I also still need to get the exhaust fabbed up. Yeah, I got the panels and all that stuff back there, but I just got all kinds of stuff in here. I also need to figure that out and get a radio installed. I don't know where to put the switch panel still. What's up guys? I'm headed over to Diesel's shop. If you remember from the last BMW video, that's where Kent's BMW got started up for the first time. So he offered me some work in exchange for a CD09 transmission. So I'm headed over there right now to see what all we're getting into, and yeah, that's gonna be that. Alright, so we we got the CDO9 transmission all taken off the rev up. Diesel had me come out here and I'll be helping around the shop a little bit to pay off this transmission, which I'm gonna be using for the 2J swap. So I'm gonna get this in the car and get it home. All right, so I just got back from the shop, did some work, got the CDO9 transmission. I'm gonna probably go home a few more days worth of work for that, but it's here now, so more for the 2J swap. All right, so I got something the other day. It's pretty interesting. Let me show it to you. So this car has been sitting in a forest for like 6 years. It's a coupe convertible, S13, as you know. I picked this up for dirt cheap, and it's got some goodies on it. Check this out though. I think the back has Q60 brakes. The back has 5-lug hubs though, so I'm gonna be grabbing those. And then this car has a chassis harness as well, so I'm gonna be grabbing that for the coupe because I definitely need that. But it's a beater for sure, but for what I got it for, it's got plenty of things that I need. Unfortunately, they took the hood off it, so all this stuff got exposed to weathering, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. I have to sort through this a bit and figure out what exactly they got going on here. Do you guys see what I see? There is an uncracked dash vent. Unless that's a crack right there, but it sure doesn't look like a crack. Unless it's a two-piece thing. However, this thing's in really good condition. I hear an ice cream truck. I want ice cream? What the hell? You guys are gonna have to trust me when I tell you I really tried my best. These are impossible to pull out. However, I have all the pieces to one that was uncracked, which means I can take this and 3D replicate it. So, at least there's that, right?
Stop! I said no! Leave me alone! Just go away! Go away! Go away! Go away! Go away!
Got everything off the back here, so that's good. It's actually surprisingly pretty rust free. I had to grind off the bottom bolt on this side of the bumper, but that's about it. Got a whole bunch pulled off. All the wire harness is out, trunk is off, fenders are off. I'm gonna come back and get the brakes off it sometime this week and then put it up for sale. So I got these fenders here, I got the rear bumper, the trunk. Sorry, it's kind of dark, the sun's setting. But yeah, catch up with you guys when I go to drop it off at Josh's. So I pretty much dropped everything off at Josh's house. I'm gonna go over there in the next couple days and start getting to work on that thing, putting in the chassis harness, putting the interior back together, and then seeing what I can do in terms of a transmission. So that's gonna be it for today's video. So if you made it to the end, I appreciate it. If you guys are watching all the videos and hitting the like button, it means a ton because it helps push the content to more people who are, you know, looking for the same kind of stuff that I'm doing. So, you know, I appreciate you guys' support. And with that, I hope you guys have a great night. Like, comment, subscribe. See you.